Hey there, it's Lisa from I Can't Wait to Travel, and I am so excited to tell you about the Alila Hotel in Napa Valley, California. We stayed here when we went to St. Helena, and it is a perfect hotel to be in the midst of it all. You're next to great vineyards, bike trails, so many to-dos in Napa, and the hotel had so many perks. It's a great location where you can really feel comfortable and get that luxury that you love, but you don't feel like you're at an all-inclusive resort. We stayed at room 230. Yes, I was so excited when I saw that view in the King Vineyard View high floor room. And as you can see, the bathroom was on point. The views are absolutely gorgeous. Imagine waking up in the morning and you look out and you can just see a full vineyard. The balcony was top tier. In the mornings, we would have breakfast or tea and coffee. And at lunchtime, you can eat at the table. And if you look in that right corner, you can see the fire pit where we would sit out at night and just talk about our Napa memories. If you are looking for a place to stay in Napa, email info@ican'twaittotravel.com so we can tell you the best choices out there.